Hey guys, hello everyone. I'm here today with a quick update to show you what's on the charts and the metrics. Well, so you understand how to act and generally what to expect. Actually, in the previous review, I pointed out they'd reached the 68,500 to 69,500 range at least. So accordingly, the price arrived here, reaching the upper boundary of the channel. But as for good news for the bulls, this picture attracts me, meaning they broke the older descending channel, that trend line. It's the only thing I use from technical analysis, trend lines. So it was broken, and most likely the next short signal from my system will be exactly on this retest of this trend line. Look at the news background of recent days. They're telling us the road is open to $50,000, like $45,000 to $50,000. To be honest, I don't see that yet. As much as I'd like to short the market, well, catch those big moves, follow the trend and so on, for some reason I'm more drawn right now to a system with some kind of stronger bounce. If we take the Fibonacci levels, that is from this high point all the way down to this one over here, between the 2 points. From this high to this low, we got a bounce of almost 0.618. Right here, we've already hit 0.618. And in principle, most likely, maybe here in this range I marked, some kind of reversal pattern will form. But honestly, I think they'll go higher to 0.786, which is 7,500, maybe even 71 or $72,000. I wouldn't mind seeing that, because right here and now the metrics aren't overheated yet. There's no short signal, but I want to go short, so I naturally want to see the price higher to get those anomalies I need. So technically on the chart, we see, yes, that we have consolidation. There was a bounce, a pullback, and well, maybe a stronger upward move, possibly even updating this previous local high, but without updating this high. So something like that is what I might consider. Let me mark this zone in the public review so you can all see that I'm not making anything up or redrawing it. So the price might reach here, but for now, looking at the metrics, nothing is overheated. There are the first signs, like our first indicators, that the indicator is starting to overheat, but I'm still feeling even more positive for now because the chart looks exactly like it still needs to grow. That's a simple, basic argument. And as for good news for the bears, those in shorts or wanting to short, the number of shorts has started to grow. That's a good story, but as practice shows, they can grow to 50, and here we had values of 55 and almost 60, well, 55 values. I've seen it at 65 or even 70 before, so there's still room to grow. As Bitcoin itself rises, the number of shorts will also increase. Based on these indicators and my metrics, I can't really say much yet because, well, it's a sideways trend, and those can break out either upward or downward. So we can see here that major sales occurred in this area. The last time I entered a trade and bought, I took my bounce, noticed the selling pressure increasing, and then I decided to exit my position. Sales went through as expected. It was clear that the market was experiencing a lot of selling activity at that moment, which influenced my decision to get out. Maybe that's a negative sign, but I didn't see any short accumulation during those sales. So what usually indicates short accumulation? This indicator here is rising while this other indicator is falling. That tells us that shorts are being built up. Here, as you can see, yeah, there's no impulsive growth. This growth started in the last few days, or you could even say the last few hours, since this is a 15-minute time frame. And here, well, there's no drop at all. Both the pink and blue lines are rising, which likely points to an organic upward movement. But at the same time, I don't rule out that a reversal might still happen in that first zone I marked, even without a signal. That's happened before, and it could happen again. What will I do in that case? I'll just sit out the upward move and wait for the next signal. So yes, some indicators are already pressing up against their signal lines. If signals appear, I'll jump in. There's nothing yet, so for signals to form, we need further upward movement. I'd like to see that, so I won't drag this review out, guys. So I've covered everything important. We're waiting to see when those signals finally show up.